knight g to e7, knight h to f5, king f7, takes, and now kind of a funny continuation. Knight a5, knight c6, discovered check, and thereby knight takes queen, knight takes queen, mess on rook d8, and get both bishops in the game. Weird position. Of course, black should play c4 here. Clearly better. Queen b7. White's a pawn ahead, but it's playing no role. Knight h to f5, and what's also playing no role are the two bishops that he has. And now kind of a funny continuation. Knight a5. And of course, if they're not going to play any role, they suffer the discovered check to play any role. Also, even the knight on g3 is rook d8, quote unquote, and in this piece, weird position, pretty lousy unit. I mean, clearly better. White's a pawn ahead, but it's playing no role, for instance. And what's also playing g6 and are the two bishops that he has on c1 and f1 first. And of course, if they're not going to play any role, it's going to be tough for the rooks to play any role. So black has just everything going for him. Also, even the knight on g3 is one, so that quote unquote, developed piece, a possibility of white tries to kind of make a break for. In the game, one possibility, h5, h4, slow, and gives black knight f5, g6, and enormous space of well, completely 7. So he played g6 first, and then h5, h4. Here, so black were to try to go everything going liberty with b4. Okay, then so bishop takes b4 would be an immediate possibility. If white tries to cb, knight b4, and in the game, knight to c2, which is really not something that white gives black time to just consolidate and see it anyway. Space advantage. I mean, I guess 7, bishop p3, but still queen d3 or knight d3, both of them are great. Here, if white were to try to go b4 is no liberty, which means that white just has to sort of sit here. Bishop takes b4 would be an tries knight to h2, cb, knight b4. The idea being knight to c2, knight e3, and maybe not something that white wants to see. F5 or d. You're going to see it anyway. But I mean, I guess this is what you reduce to. Still, queen d3 or knight d3, both are completely hideous position. So b4 is no good, which means that white just has to Grimm plays here, inside castling, tries knight to h2, and this is what happened. Actually, this was a blunder. Knight e3, and maybe Grimm didn't take advantage. Go to f5 or d5. He still wins the game and wins it handily. But I mean, this is what you reduce to. Black could have just played h5, a completely hideous position. All right, to e3. h4. Grimm plays knight here. Queenside g6. Not afraid of knights. Thanks for playing. End of the night. This is what happened. And actually, this was a blunder. And unfortunately, Grimm didn't take advantage. All of the drawbacks of his position. He still wins the game and wins it handily, but he deserves an opportunity here. So that is black could have just played h5. He just wins the piece. So somehow both players missed that little thing. But nevertheless, knight here. Problems are g6. Not at an end by any means. Thanks for playing. So bishop to c5. End of the night. Knight e3 and knight to g7. All of the drawbacks are more precise. While white can't play knight to f5 and try to trade something. So that doesn't happen. Queen f3, and now a very good move by Grimm. So somehow both players missed that little. He's not afraid of queen takes nevertheless. White's problems are and by playing g6, not at by any means. Again, so closes down the operations on the knight e3. So after queen f6, which was not played. Maybe g6 is a little bit more precise, so white can play knight f5 and try to trade them, but doesn't happen. h5, and now a very good move. White's pieces are in trouble. G6 is trapped. He's not afraid of queen takes f6. Piece. It's just a nightmare. And by playing g6, he thereby and if queen is g5, operations on the knight, awfully bad too. So after queen f6, which was not played, rook f4 here, and now for instance, g4, queen g7, bishop takes g4, h takes g4. h5, bishop f2, and all of white's pieces are in trouble. D1 is trapped, and rook h to f8 piece. And this is nightmare. Just no what a position, right? And if queen to g5, well, this is awfully bad. Is just to play bishop g3, followed by rook takes f4, which forces knight to g4, rook f1, bishop takes g4, h takes g4, e1. We'll see bishop f2 check, king to d1, takes g4, and rook h. So what a disaster! And this is. All right, white avoided that disaster. What a position. Didn't avoid all disaster. The Grandmaster. He played b4. The threat is just to play bishop g3. Black played bishop takes e3, but f1, bishop b6 is fine. a4, rook f1, another very good move by black. Queen f5. We'll see after a5, bishop e3, and then queen takes clearly can't take with the d1. So what a disaster. d2, and it's just mate. All right, white avoided that disaster, but didn't avoid all disasters. Bishop d2. Played b4. Black played bishop takes e3, and of course f4 wins its piece. a4, and now left another very good move by black, f5. And now, so after a5, bishop e3, the best move is maybe bishop clearly you can't take with the d pawn. We're just talking about building the lily here. The next move of the game was fine e2, d1 queen, or bishop d2, queen d2, rook h to f8. If he takes with the queen, then of course f4 wins the piece. And the threat now is to go knight to d5 or knight to g8. And now, just try to win this piece on the pin, or maybe
best move is maybe
bishop to c5, maybe that's even better.
We're just talking about
So, black's got
the move
all
play
kinds of things going well, and white's got all kinds of problems. Knight e4.
In the game,
white plays b5.
Knight
Hey,
a6.
hey, black, you've got
d6.
some problems with your knight too.
And okay, the threat
Not
now
just
is
me
to
with
go
my
knight to d5,
lousy
knight
knight
to g8, and moreover, I'm
and
going to play
try to win
maybe
this piece on
a6
the
next,
pin,
or maybe
try to give
bishop
checkmate.
to d5.
Maybe that's a nice dream.
Will it work? Of course
So,
not.
black's got all kinds
e4.
of things going well,
Terrific
and
move.
white's got all
This
kinds of
puts an
problems.
end to the fun
In the
for
game,
white
so
plays
what now?
b5.
Well,
saying, hey,
if
black,
knight takes
you've got some
e4,
problems with your knight too.
Nothing else.
It's not just me with my lousy knight.
Try to
And moreover, I'm
e5.
going to play maybe
It's going to
a6
be
next, and
quite simple
try to
and
give
strong.
checkmate. So that's a nice dream. Will it work?
In the game,
Of course not.
oh, another try is
e4.
queen f4.
Terrific.
And then
This
take,
puts an end to the fun
take,
for white.
and then knight to d4.
So what now?
Nice move.
Well, just keeping white from getting
knight
any
takes
play on the
e4,
queen side.
then
CD, rook
nothing
f6.
else.
And although black hasn't won any
Twice
pieces yet,
e5.
he is winning.
Is going to be quite
simple and strong.
No, material is
Material is even, but
in the
this
game,
is weak.
another
This is weak.
try
Of
is
course,
queen
white is
f4,
playing without
and then we
most of
take,
his army. In fact,
take,
all his
and
pieces
then
are on their
knight
starting
to
squares,
d4 is a nice move,
even though at least he did
keeping
manage
white
from
from
getting any play on the queen side.
more or
CD,
less
rook
open
f6.
up lines for the
And
pieces
although
to do
black hasn't won any pieces yet,
okay,
he is winning.
so that was what he
Might
should
be
have
a
played.
queen
Queen
f4.
no, material is
In the game,
yeah, material is even,
plays,
but
queen takes e4.
this is weak. This
And
is
now
weak, and
it
it comes
comes
to
to
a
a
bumpy
finish.
most of his army.
G3 check.
All his pieces are on their starting
King
squares.
d1,
Even though at least he did
and
manage
bishop
to
to d3, mate.
more or less open up lines for the pieces
this
to do something.
Again, is what
Okay.
happens when you violate
So
all
that
kinds
was
of
what he
rules
should have
and chess.
played. Queen f4.
So he didn't do anything
Game,
to develop. He
plays
plays
queen
queen
takes
takes
center,
center. And now he comes
Basically
to
just
a
about
bumpy
everything raw.
finish.
And
King
here are all of his
check.
pieces. So 4
King
of his
to
6
d1,
pieces are still sitting on their starting
bishop to
squares.
d3.
The only piece he's got
So,
out are the knight, which can be
this,
taken at any move.
Again, is what happens
and
when you
queen,
violate
which all
those
kinds of
often
rules
under
under
attack
attack and endanger
So
itself.
he didn't do anything to
So
develop.
this
He didn't
is how
control
not
the
to play
center.
chess. And a very nice game.
It's
Basically
a
did
good
just
lesson
about
on how
everything
to
wrong.
play chess.
And here are all of
against
his
a higher
pieces.
rated opponent.
4 of
Don't
his
be
6
afraid.
pieces are
And
still
if the
sitting
guy
on their
makes
starting squares.
crazy moves and moves that
The
are
only piece he's
violating
got out
all
are the
the
knight,
chess
which
principles
could be
you know.
taken at any move, and the queen,
You know, double check
was
and
often
make sure
under
that
attack
you're not
and
missing
endanger
something.
itself.
But if you don't
So
see what's
this
wrong
is
with
how not
what
to play
you
chess.
think is
And
the
a
right
very
move,
nice
just
game.
play it. It's a good lesson on
And
how to
as
play
often
chess
as not,
against a
you're
higher
going to
rated
have
opponent.
good things happen.
Don't be
to you.
afraid.
So this is a
And
great
if the guy
game
makes
as
crazy
an
moves and
illustration
moves
of
that are
what
violating
happens
all
if you
the
violate
chess
the
principles
rules,
you know.
and it doesn't matter. So
Double check,
weaker
make
player.
sure that you're not
Sure
missing
doesn't look
something.
like it in
But
this game.
if you don't see what's
All
wrong
right,
with
so what you
go and do
think is the right
likewise,
move, just play it.
You're in the situation
And
that
as often
Daniel
as
Grimm
not,
was in. You're going to
and
have
do not
good
do
things happen
likewise
to you.
if you were in the situation.
So this is a great game
Grandmaster Zoltán
as
Varga was
an illustration of,
okay.
until
What
next
happens
time,
if you
this is
violate the
Grandmaster
rules,
Dennis Monokroussos,
and it
signing off for
doesn't matter.
chesslecture.com.
Black was the weaker player.
Sure doesn't look like it in this game. All right, so go and do likewise when you're in the situation that Mr. Daniel Grimm was in, and do not do likewise if you were in the situation Grandmaster Zoltán Varga was in. Okay, until next time, this is FIDE Master Dennis Monokroussos, signing off for chesslecture.com.